Hello, if you're looking for how to play chess, you came to the right place. Chess is one of the oldest and most popular board games. It is played by two opponents on a checkered board. It uses specialized pieces, commonly light and dark. I will go into detail about the moves each chess piece can make in this video series so that you can experience the fun chess has to offer. The goal is simple. Each player attempts to force the opponent's main piece, the king, into checkmate. Checkmate means a position on the board where the king is unable to avoid capture and cannot escape. Chess is played on a board of 64 squares. The squares on the board alternate between light and dark. To start a game, position the board so that a white square is in the bottom right corner for each player when sitting across from each other. One player uses all light-colored chess pieces. The other player uses all dark-colored chess pieces. Before we begin, let's take a look at the individual chess pieces. First, we have the pawn. This is the smallest piece in the set. Second, we have the bishop. It looks like it's wearing a funny hat. Next, we have the knight. This often looks like a horse head. The rook is next. It looks like a tower on a castle. Next, we have the queen. This piece has a crown and is the second tallest piece. And last but not least, we have the king. This is the tallest piece in the set. Each player starts by putting all the same colored pawns on the second row closest to them, just like this. Next, each player puts their rooks in the corners, just like the towers of a real castle. Next, place your knights next to your rooks on the first row. The bishops then go next to the knights. Next, the queen for each player is placed on her own color in the first row closest to each player. For example, the light queen goes on the light square and the dark queen goes on the dark square for the other player. Next, place your king on the last square in the row closest to each player. In chess, white always moves first. You can decide on who plays white and who plays black. One way is through a game of paper, rock, scissors, or the youngest player could go first. After white makes the first move, then black makes a move, and then white again, and so on until the game ends. Each of the 6 different kinds of pieces moves differently, which we will see in upcoming videos. Next, let's talk about moves a pawn can make.